Hey guys, it's Cher, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing some products from my last 3 months of Ipsy bags that I haven't made videos on yet. I have been waiting to open up the July, August, and September Ipsy bags because I just wanted to save them all for like a big Ipsy haul video. I did not get to try all of the products from these bags, but I did get to try some of them, and I think I found a couple new favorites too, like the Ofra highlighter that came in one of the bags, which you will see in a minute, and this lip color, and a couple other things. Before we get started, I tested out some of the brushes, some of the eye makeup brushes that came in these bags in another video that I did about how I came up with this eye look. So once that gets posted, I will link that right here and also put it in the description box for you to click on if you want to check that out. So if you want to watch me try out and review some of the products that have come in my last 3 months worth of Ipsy bags, then let's get into it. So the 5 products that came in the July Ipsy bag are the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I'm probably not saying that right, but it is a British beauty brand. I did try out the primer, which I don't really use primer that much, but I liked this one because it did feel very hydrating and my skin does tend to be a little bit on the drier side. I guess we'll see if it actually works and how well it keeps my makeup on and if it makes me have a major breakout, but my first impression of it was positive. Next was the Firma Beauty 204 Wide Blending Brush, which I was able to try out in another video that I filmed on eyeshadow. It also came with the Midflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask, which I did not get to try in this video, but it's moisturizing, so I'm looking forward to that. A Pacifica Bronzer Blush Duo was my absolute favorite product out of all 3 bags. This was the Bronzed Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer in the shades Wild Rose and Desert. And they were both just really natural looking on me, and it's definitely like a small compact set of blush and bronzer that I would take with me, or just if I needed a good blush and bronzer duo, because it felt like it was really good quality and I felt like the shades that they sent me were very flattering for my skin tone. The last product in this bag was the Balm Cosmetics eyeshadow in He Said, She Said. And it's like a purple cool tone shade called Iced Tea. And I think this is funny, but on the front of the little tiny packaging box, it's labeled, "What's the tea?" So, I mean, that's kind of cute. Moving on to the August edition of the Ipsy Glam bag. The first product was this HUDA Beauty Lip Contour in the color Trophy Wife. I don't really use lip liners that often, but the color matched up really well with one of the other lip products that came in the last bag I'm going to talk about. It felt smooth to apply, and also I would just be curious to know what it would look like if I just used the lip liner all over my lips. The next product is the Jonteblu. This was the Jonteblu Felt Tip okay, I don't know. I might be massacring that name. It's the Felt Tip Eyeliner Pencil in black. I definitely prefer liquid eyeliner, so this was right up my alley, and it went on very smoothly, and yeah, it's a great little eyeliner pen, or pencil. Next was the Apto Skincare Balancing Mask with Chlorella and green tea, the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Gel Lotion Moisturizer, and the Luxe Beauty Periwinkle Blending Brush 237, another brush which I used to create this eye look with. I really liked both of the blending brushes that I tried to use to create this eye look. Yeah, I can always use more blending brushes because mine are always dirty and I never clean them, so. The last bag is the September version of the Ipsy Glam bag. The first product was the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream, which is a skincare product that is supposed to nourish and moisturize your skin. The Ofra Cosmetics Ofra and Madison Moondance Highlighter collaboration. I've always heard that Ofra Cosmetics makes really good highlighter, and I must say that this was definitely another one of my favorite products from these bags. I would say that this and the Pacifica Bronze and Blush Duo palette were my absolute favorite items that came in these 3 bags. The highlighter was very creamy, and I didn't even need to use a lot to get the effect I was going for. I really like the shade, I really like how it applied, like I love this highlighter. Next was the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in the shade 3 Neutral Light Brown. I thought at first that this was going to be a little too light for my eyebrows because they are kind of dark, but once I started to try to work with it, it went on a little bit darker than I initially expected and turned out to be a pretty good match for my eyebrow color. The gel is definitely something I could see myself adding to my everyday makeup eyebrow routine because it just helps to keep all the little hairs in place and keep everything looking a little more clean, in my opinion. The fourth product was the Cest Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss in the color Bliss, which I did end up pairing with the lip liner from the last bag because they were just very similar shades of pink and I felt like they would go together. Last was the Faced Mascara. Honestly, I was not overly impressed with this mascara. I've heard a lot of people go on and on about Faced mascara products. It was just like kind of another mascara for me, and the wand is really big and I just prefer like smaller wands because I feel like smaller wands work better with my eyes because they help to separate my lashes and not make everything look so clumpy when I'm applying mascara. So I'll probably still be sticking with my usual mascara, which is the CoverGirl Super Sizer Fibers because that is my go-to mascara all the time. But it was nice to try a Faced mascara product because I've always heard people say such good things about the brand and the quality of their mascaras that I was a little bit underwhelmed and confused as to why, like, what all the hype is about, I guess. Like, it's a nice black mascara, but nothing life-changing about it. And those are all 3 of the bags. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. And subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't yet. Also, you can click the little bell notification if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to find me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram, then my social media accounts will be linked down below in the description box too. Comment down below which of these 3 bags was your favorite or which product that I tried was your favorite that came from a certain bag. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!